Welcome to Prince Institute second article. Ready? Start. The center's decision to make it mandatory for vendors on the government e-marketplace procurement platform to specify the country of origin of new products listed by them is on the face of it unexceptionable, aimed as it is at promoting India made goods. Apart from the place of manufacture, the platform's administrators have also sought details on the extent of local content and set guidelines on the percentage of localization for enabling procurement in the case of bids of specified value. However, the timing and thrust of the announcement sat in the backdrop of the government's newfound push for self reliance in the wake of the COVID 19 pandemic and its devastating impact on the global economy, coupled with the recent heightened border tensions with China, raises several questions. The government's attempts to raise the share of manufacturing in the economy through the Make in India program have so far failed to significantly boost investment in new cutting edge technology driven or export oriented industries and instead only taken the country back to import substitution plants making goods predominantly for domestic consumption. To that extent, the drive for self reliance and greater localization risks once again eroding Indian industry's global competitiveness by placing a premium of Indianness over quality or cost. The center's move with its portal has also predictively kindled and amplified a gathering clamor for the identification and subsequent boycott of Chinese products, including on private e-commerce platforms. The weaponization of trade ties, especially one where India's reliance on imports from China now extend beyond small smartphones and low cost electronics to heavy machinery and active pharmaceutical ingredients is a double edged sword and fraught with risk for the Indian economy as well. India's drug makers who are seeking to entrench themselves as a pharmacy to the world amid the pandemic and accompanying rush for affordable generic treatments depend on the northern neighbor for about 70% of their requirements of bulk drugs and intermediates. Full stop. For India to wean itself off these dependencies will take time. The fact is that enhancing manufacturing capacities with improved efficiency and reduced cost would require an overhaul of bureaucratic processes. Attaining genuine self reliance is a long and capital intensive process that would require for greater investment in education, skill building, and infrastructure. The GEM move on country of origin is at best symbolic. For now, policymakers ought to tone down any trade linked rhetoric and give diplomats and military negotiators the room to smooth ties. Full stop. 120 word per minute.